Hey traders, Jason here with Do You Trade Fearless? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. In this video, we're going to go over a brand new market profile trade setup. I'm going to walk you through, let you know what they are, and then I will leave a link down below for this Thinkorswim profile or kind of a grid down below in the description, so you can load this to your own and have the same exact settings and everything. So that'll be down in the link below, but also down in the link below is my S&P Emini future trade zones. $99 for a lifetime subscription. These are the trade zones, and essentially what they are is up above our resistance levels, down below our support levels. And look at this. Look how we came all the way up to this and we kind of pulled back, right, a little bit. Or at least stopped right before it. I draw these every weekend, the weekend before, so they're good for the following week. I also give you any open VPOCs and also gaps, but you can learn more down below. Check out the links, but let's get right back into this video of the market profile new trade setup for you all. You guys know I love my market profile, my different charts, different things. So I try and create things for you, my viewer, that hopefully you guys could use and find very helpful. So the first thing we have is on the right-hand side is two TPO profiles. This is what they are, right? Time price opportunity profiles, and then the RSI. And then on the left-hand side, we actually have a waterfall, moving average 200, also the TPO, and then also the retracement and a RSI. And I'll show you why. So the reason why we have the RSI is so we could find divergences based on a 5-minute chart. You know I love my divergences, but we have something like this where it goes here to here, and when you see something like this, that divergence, you could trade it, right? Same with down below on the downside, here and here, okay, and then you have seen that and go, hey, let me get long based on that divergence. Also, this is a regular trading hours market profile, and this one on the left hand is the 15-minute, which is a overnight extended trading hours. So kind of understand, because this is, you'll be able to see open gaps and VPOCs here. This is a consecutive profile, a 5-minute on the right, a 15-minute on the left. What you're looking for is on the 5-minute, as we fall, maybe for confluence, right? We have a point of control that we did today. I'm doing this after hours. But we also have the value area high on the last 5 days, right? So this is kind of a bigger picture, but look at this high volume node right here. So if we did come back with this point of control, I would probably look at that level for a potential bounce. Now, I would come over and say, okay, that number is 45.35. Come over. What's a 45.35 on the 15? Guess what? It's also the point of control on the 15-minute chart. So you're looking for confluent. When you start to see price fall, you want to kind of look at, hey, where could price go, and things like that. You can also draw trade zones, right, and see if they match up. Look, a low volume node right at this trade zone, another trade zone here, low volume node right below the point of control. Okay, so again, lots of different ways you could trade these charts using them. I'm just trying to give you guys a couple of them, different ways to do it. Now, the 15-minute profile, the reason I really like this and the reason I actually have the candle retracement, because this is showing you the 50% retracement. Okay, so we could see the 50% is this yellow line of the previous candle, right? So let's say this candle was the current candle, then you would see a yellow line probably right around here, and on the pullback, maybe look to buy to get long, because you know that we are in an uptrend, right? We're in a reverse waterfall, 1, 2, 3, right? Now, in the video course, or with the $99 special that I talked about earlier with the trade zones, you also get the 2-hour video course of how to draw the trade zones, where to draw them, and the logic behind them. Well, you could kind of carry all of that over with these charts. They'll really help you in your everyday trading. So hopefully you guys like this video. Like I said, I'm not going to ramble too much, but one last thing is this is the 15-minute chart is really good for when we're falling, right? And you're looking for like potential low volume nodes, something like right here, right? You could see there's a low volume node from this day. Also, it was the prior high of the breakout, the retest. So if we came back down here, I would not be surprised if price actually came right down to this level. And we could see a low volume node right here. Look at how clean this is, right? It's literally the lowest volume, which is a 44.79. And this, the base is essentially that 44.79 level. So yes, I would be expecting price to look, or the buyers to actually step in and potentially bring this thing back up for a potential bounce. So hopefully this helps. Again, I'll leave all the links down below in the description. Let me know if you guys like these videos. I'll try and do some more of them. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.